how to turn on or turn off text call on the Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. First, let's go back to the home screen. Then open up the phone application. After that, tap on the menu button and tap on Settings. In Call Settings. Now tap on Text Call. Then at the top, tap on the Text Call toggle button to turn off or switch on this feature. Now if you scroll down, you can also change the language for the text call as well as the voice style. And further down, you can also customize quick responses for text call, and you can also play other person's voice by turning this on. So hear what the other person says during a text call in addition to showing it on the screen. And that's it. After that, tap on the back key or tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.